Alrighty guys, we're gonna do another project here today, but I did see knives made out of pipe clamp jaws. I saw some pictures of that and I was like, dang, that looks cool. I'd like to try one, see what it's like to do. This is gonna be Chandler's way to do things. I think rolling is the right answer. Combination of both. I haven't even begun to imagine what I'm going to try to make out of this thing. A little farther with it. Yeah, let's put some wind on this. Let's give that a try. Let's see if we can go ahead and just get some width out of here. Maybe at the end, a little bit more work. Let's pull over this 4-pound thing. Just seems to make sense to me. I gotta work this over here though. Give this a decent edge to work on. Really like to straighten that out before I do anything. Come back here and pull out a little bit more back here. Again, just gonna have to take our time because we're changing plans quite a bit here. Let's get this back. There. Work it out. Let's go. Tell you something, I forgot what it was. Oh, it's only been an hour since we started. An hour and 2 minutes. That's pretty amazing. Turn that pipe wrench into something like that in that amount of time. Alright, here's our rough grind. Nice looking little blade. I really want to go thinner, but I don't dare with this. So we're going to go ahead and heat this sucker up and put her in some oil. Here we go. South in you go. Come on. Good. Still looks good. Alright, we got her hardened. Tested that, I think, already. Yeah. So don't drop it, Chandler. I'll clean it up. And we'll go ahead and put my variable temper on like I do, and then we'll get this project finished. Alright, so she's starting to heat up. I took the torch to her again. And the brown's sinking in there, but I don't want it to bake too much, so I'm just going to swing around a little. Don't drop it. I'm not sure if you can see, but we got brown to here, a little straw on the edge. Not quite to the edge, but a little bit more up here where it needs to be a little bit a little stronger. Soaked in perfectly. I'm very, very pleased with it. All right, boys and girls. Here she is. Not too bad, huh? Nice heavy knife. Balance is kind of not horrible. Alright, definitely a sweet knife. I mean, this son of a bitch is sharp. Whoops. crazy sharp. Crazy sharp. Anyway, so there you have it. One pipe wrench kitchen knife. Cool. It's easy. Am I that dirty or is it the sun? Alright, hope you enjoyed it. I hope I can keep putting out content for you. Again, these videos go up 3 days in advance for my patron people. And then I, if I remember to, set them public. So if you want first dibs on seeing them, hook me up on Patreon. Hope you enjoyed this one. This is a really cool build. Turned out to be a really decent knife. Someday I'll be master smith, grinding and all that kind of stuff. This is just freehand stuff, but it's still a good knife. I make good knives. I don't make great knives. Ciao. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, educational, maybe even if you just found it entertaining, and you want to support me, you can jump back to my channel. There's a button on the right hand side of the screen called support, and it's kind of like a tip jar. You can go ahead and leave a tip for this video, and that'll help me make some more, I guarantee. Thanks for your support, as always.